Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Well, if you're a new member, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share, like, and smash that subscribe button? It definitely helps other people know when I post videos. And that rattling you hear in the background is my cat playing with his little Christmas bell. We got a little bell that's on like a piece of yarn, and he's not going to swallow it or anything. It's big enough so he won't, and he carries it around like a mouse, and it makes a little noise, and he seems to love it. So that's the kind of noise you're hearing. So today, once again, I'm in my back room filming the introduction on a background green screen, and I love using the green screen because I can put almost really any image or video behind me, and today's no exception. So today on one of our carnivore meals, today we're going to be making some ground beef bacon wrapped burgers. Now I bought a new Dutch oven and I wanted to use it, and I tried using it, and it's a small Dutch oven, but it's okay for small stuff. But to make a 3 or 4 patties like I wanted to make, I started doing it in that particular process, and then I took my hamburger patties out and I finished cooking them up into the air fryer. The air fryer that I have is, of course, the air fryer, and I absolutely love it. This is my third investment in an air fryer. My first one broke. The handle fell down on the floor, and when I was cleaning it, and the Kohl's website reversed the payment for me so I could get a new air fryer. They were really good about that. And then the other one I didn't care for, I sent it back, and then the guy ended up settling for this one. And so I've had this for quite a while now. If you never used an air fryer before, trust me, they're very safe. They're very easy to clean, they're dishwasher safe. I've been putting my basket into the dishwasher to clean out all that greasy stuff that underneath the basket that accumulates. I've done bacon, I've done chicken, I've done poultry, I've done beef. I've done almost really anything in the air fryer, and it's really great, and it doesn't take hardly any time at all to cook these meals. And then I'm going to start doing some more series of cooking with the air fryer, non-keto meals for my wife, and then keto meals for myself, and carnivore meals, because now we're getting ready to switch over to carnivore. So that's what we got planned going on. So I hope you enjoy this video, and then we're going to come back and do a follow-up, and hope you have an amazing day. I certainly am. God gave me another day on the planet, and with that said, don't forget to like, share to my channel, and remember, I love you, God loves you. Have an amazing day. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe. So today we're having some bacon wrap burgers today. And this is what I made for a meal, for a carnivore meal today. They're fully cooked hamburgers, 20/80 chuck. And what I did was I got pretty good sized burgers, and I flattened them out into hamburgers, and I wrapped 3 slices of bacon around each, and that's the final product. And I popped them into the air fryer for 25 minutes at 400, and I flipped them over 2 or 3 times until I got the desired crunchiness of the bacon. So now let's just cut a piece open and try a little bit. And I love bacon. I can eat that. It's like one of those sinful foods. And my ground beef is fully cooked. I'll show you that. It's just the way I like that. See? It is so flavorful with the bacon. It's unreal. See? But anyways, I'm going to enjoy my lunch, be watching for some more videos, and I'll be making pork loin with a bacon wrap. That should be pretty interesting. But don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Remember, I love you. God loves you. Have an amazing day.